Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari black screen iOS 18. So guys, if you want to search for anything and it's turned to black and it's not working and it's stuck on black, guys, I will show you how you can fix it. So it's pretty easy and basic to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now you have to launch the settings app. Now from here, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down, and from here tap on general, and first of all make sure that you have updated your device, then close this page. Now after that, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the Safari browser again and make sure that you have not turned on private browsing. So just simply have to turn on private browsing, and after that check if it's working on. If it's still not working, just simply you have to go to the settings app and just simply have to locate for the Safari app. So let me search for the Safari. So you can find the Safari app here. So what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down all the way. Now from here, you have to go clear history and website data, and just simply have to clear the history. Now after clearing the history, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page and then restart your device. By restarting your device or clearing the history and website data, problem 100% will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.